I was a little girl alone in my little world who dreamed of a little home for me. I played pretend between the trees and fed my house gas sparkling leaves and laughed in my pretty bed of green. I had a dream.
Hello beautiful souls, Kim Crystal here and welcome to today's video. So to begin making your sun catchers, we're going to start up with getting some of your crystals and pendants you would like to have on the sun catcher. Then what I would recommend you having are these little tools. One's a little cutter tool, so this one will help you cut really finely, and this one is a clamp tool. And what I'm using is clear fishing wire for the hanging bits. And then I'm going to show you guys close up, but we also have these little clamp beads, and what they are just little circles that if you press them tightly it will bend on itself, and that's going to hold the string together. So this is everything I have set out for the sun catchers. I'm going to start with this one over here. So I've got this really beautiful large hanging crystal that I've actually had for 2 years, and I've been wanting to do this for that long. And I've just got a few of these hanging crystals and a few beads I'm going to work with. So these are really cool beads because they're actually Tibetan silver, so I'm really excited to work with them. And then for the second sun catcher I'm going to make, it's going to be like this leaf design that's going to be hanging. And I've also got some clear quartz crystals that I'm going to bead on as well. So to begin making the sun catcher, I'm just taking some fishing wire. I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm just going to make sure that the length is as long as I want my sun catcher to be. So that's going to be about 1 meter long. And I'm just going to cut that. So all I'm doing here is just looping it through. Then I'm going to take a clamp bead and push that onto the bottom. I'm just going to take the tongs and I'm just going to push it all the way to the bottom. And then just press it down. That's how it's going to look. So it's just a little clamp bead. And once you've done that, you can actually start by adding on your beads. I'm going to start with this one over here. I'm just going to put that down and through. So this one's going to sit on top of the crystal just like that, which I actually really like.
The best piece of advice I have for someone trying to succeed in the film industry or any creative space is, if you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.
So you just take the clamp bead and you can pull it down like that. So wherever you would like that bead to sit, we're just going to take the plier. We're just going to move that and we're just going to press down. So now the bead will sit onto the clamp bead, so when it's hanging, the bead won't fall down. It's quite easy to finish off the end of your sun catcher. All you're going to do is take the end of your fishing wire, take a loop bead or two, and then I'm just going to loop through 2 of them. Then once I've got about to the height I want them, I'm just going to leave them there, and with the end of this I'm just going to loop them back through. And then you can just grab the ends, and I'm just going to press down on those 2 beads. So the first one, and move the second one. So you've just got this loop here. Just clip them about 1 centimeter long. So you've got the loop, and then it goes like that, and like that. So I'm going to show you guys how that looks all hung up.
The stars smiled down at me, got answered in silent reverie. I said a prayer, then fell asleep. I had a dream.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe down below if you're new. Drop a comment down below on what you thought and what you're excited for Christmas. I cannot wait. I just absolutely love Christmas. Anyway, Merry Christmas guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. See you in the next video. Bye.